Is there just one Goodwill sticker?
Peel it like a snake so it doesn't break.
Creep. Hi everybody, I'm Kelly from Earthly Delights and I'm a part-time eBay reseller. My partner Melissa is a full-time eBay reseller, and today's video is another haul video. I'm going to turn the camera around and she's going to show us what she got for reselling online.
So I've already pulled the first one. The first one I actually don't know if it's a good thing or not, but it's a vintage new with tags Sophie Henley top.
Oh, nice. Let me just focus on the... Yeah.
But it's plain. It has no graphic. It's not really that interesting, but I pulled it anyway.
Any thoughts on what you'll list it for?
No. Next up is one.
This is a haul video where we don't tell you what we're listing it for. I'm going to take a wild stab.
Yeah.
And say 15.
Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good. I was like, just a quick video tonight. Just a quick one. All right. This is one that I wasn't even going to get, but I texted it to Kelly and I said, I wish that it was my size. And she was like, get it. It's really cool. So I had to go back and find it, and I couldn't find it. And then I found it, and then I realized that it's actually double-sided, and it's really cool.
That is so cool.
Of course, I wish that it was my size because it's my name. And
yeah, that would be so cool.
I know.
What size is it?
It's an XL.
Wow. Very nice.
Yeah.
Maybe 15?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
And we pay $4 for t-shirts at our Goodwill?
Yep, that's right.
Pretty hi,
much
Charlie.
Across the board.
Hi.
No, there were two of these, but I just picked up one.
Oh.
It's a vintage tag. Someone got rid of like a bunch of...
It's cool.
Vintage new with tag shirts, but I don't really know the brand. It's kind of a cool 80s sort of graphic logo. It's just a plain V-neck t-shirt.
Oh, you mean on the tag itself? Yeah. Yeah, it's solid.
Yeah. Oh, that, I don't know what I'll list it for. I don't know.
Take a stab.
$6.
$6?
$8.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean, maybe list it for $8.
Yeah.
Reluctantly accept $6.
Well said.
Yeah. So next up is a nice LL Bean tall men's hoodie. And
very nice.
So that's like $6. I don't know. I would probably list it for like $20, $25.
LL Bean sells well for us.
Yeah, it does.
We don't pass it up usually.
Yeah. And this is new with tags. Decidual.
Oh, I don't know that brand.
Yeah. I remember.
Can we see the tag?
I remember it kind of vaguely. Yeah. Yeah. And it's I saw some comps, some of the brand, not the exact shirt. Probably like 30 or so.
That's great.
Yeah. This I might keep for myself. I don't know. I just really liked it. I got it for myself.
Wow.
It's a Gap hoodie. It's pretty new.
Oh, wow. Nice tie-dye.
Yeah, and the next one, actually the next one I might keep also. I'm not sure. It's a Woolrich sweater.
Oh, it's not wool.
It's not wool. I was going to say it's not wool. It's just Woolrich. I'm not sure if I like the collar or not, but I'll try it on at home. If not, I'll sell it.
Nice. And what would you list that for?
I don't even know. Okay, so these next two things were, I was really on the fence about. It's an Eddie Bauer, really nice, lightweight. It's very light, puffy down coat, puffy jacket. But it says solar, what is it? Solar on Earth, which I looked it up and it's like a solar company in Illinois. But it's Eddie Bauer, and it's a really nice jacket. So, and it's in good shape.
Wait, can I just see something? Does it have an 800 on it?
What does it have?
Oh, it's $6.50.
$6.50.
So
That's
I don't know
warm.
for sure. Yeah, I think, the numbers refer to the down. And you can kind of feel it's lighter. We have like an $8.50 jacket
so
like this,
warm.
and it's really warm.
Yeah.
I think $6.50 isn't quite, it's not as
It's
warm.
not quite as warm, but
and
it's still
probably
pretty
doesn't
warm.
sell for as much, but it probably still sells well.
Yeah,
it's cool.
I think it's a really nice color, and it's pretty warm, and it's so lightweight. Like, it might even be first class.
And what
First
do you
class
think
meal.
you would list that for?
40?
Probably get maybe 30, 35 for it.
Yeah. And the same thing, except it's Patagonia, and it's a another Solar on Earth issued Patagonia jacket. Now, I'm not sure if this is a rain jacket. It's like a midweight.
And there's the Patagonia. Oh, and
Yeah.
it's got like a
And it's Patagonia
flag on this.
Patagonia tag inside. Sorry. And yeah, you were just pointing out, right, there's an American flag on the patch on the sleeve. And it's like embroidered also on the back with the earth.
Solar Earth or...
Yeah. So I just don't know.
You know what I'm going to ask. What would you list it for?
Maybe like 48?
I think that sounds
Yeah,
good.
It's Patagonia. It's a nice color. The Patagonia coat was $20. But I think that she rang up the Eddie Bauer coat as a sweater instead of as a coat, which would be $10. I think she rang it up as a sweater for $6.99. So that's cool.
Okay, that kind of balances it all out.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if it would pay off. But you know what? We'll get back to you. We'll follow up.
It's like you'd never pass up Patagonia,
I know.
but because it's embroidered with a specific thing. But you know what? I think it was worth a shot to just learn.
Yeah.
You know, what will it go for,
Yeah.
Is there just one Goodwill sticker?
Peel it like a snake so it doesn't break.
Creep. If you've seen The Lost Daughter, you know what that is in reference to. Cheetahs never win. That is really fun. Looks like it's in really good condition. Does
It's like perfect.
Oh,
it's
okay.
pristine.
All right, it doesn't have the spoon scratches that are classic to vintage mugs sometimes.
And it doesn't have a year, but it was made in Japan. So.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
No, that's not for us, right? That's...
I don't know. I think I'd list it.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
And what would you list it for?
I don't know, like 10 to 15.
Yeah, 10 sounds
Because I
right.
did a quick search for it, and I didn't actually see it. So that drove up the price a little bit in my mind.
Is that the last item?
That's it.
All right.
For today.
I don't think you told us how much you paid for everything.
I paid $58 for this mug.
Wow, you really overpaid for that. I hope you can double your money.
I hope so too. No, really, I paid $58 for all this. And this.
Nice.
I actually paid like a third of everything I paid just for this Patagonia jacket, which we'll see if that was a good or a bad.
Yeah, let us know in the comments if you think we should have left that Patagonia jacket behind. That brings us to the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you for the next one. Bye.